people. So, considering I like reviewing this whole range of shows, there is this show called Luke Nguyen's Street Food Asia, which is on Discovery Plus app. Now, really, people, this particular app, you just need to download it from on like the Play Store or whatever on your phone, Discovery Plus app, and the range of shows, yeah, it's like, I mean, I would earlier I would never associate movies and watching shows as enlightening, but this is so enlightening. So, and Luke Nguyen, he is a Vietnamese of Vietnamese origin, staying in Australia, and now is a, I don't know, citizen of America, I think. So he's he looks a lot like this Indian singer Shan, you know. So he's got that same and that sweet smiling face, and you know. So it's these are just 22-minute long episodes, and you know, he speaks about the street food. He's a chef himself, so street food in Vietnam, in Bangkok, in basically Southeast Asia, you know. So uh, watching food shows is, I mean, especially during all this lockdown phase where you really can't step out, and you know, but it is so soul satisfying. So just download the Discovery Plus app, and it is free. Like most of the shows are free. There are some premium type thing, which is again 300 for the entire year, you know, $300 for the entire year, and it is worth it. I mean, you know, because now with this lockdown we don't step out at all, right? So but it is so amazing, people. So it's called Street Food Asia, Luke Nguyen's. But you can just download Discovery Plus app and decide just what is it that you like to watch. You know, it's about, you know, the sharks in the Megalodon. There's this shark in that is supposed to be a prehistoric shark that is now resurfaced. You know, it's quite amazing. So really, people, so try and catch it. The Discovery Plus app, it's one of the best things you can do for yourself and your family, because your child can also, you know, learn about how life is in Africa, how life is in, you know, because it's a Discovery Channel. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.